Wow, guys, so sorry. I've been sharing my unboxing of my DEKdesigns and just realized that I wasn't recording. So I'm starting over, not starting over, but I'm glad I caught it before now because I have a couple orders to share. This one is Hello Spring on the kit, and this kit was a freebie. I just want to show you the gorgeous ribbon clip, bow clip there that Dawn gives us as a freebie, as well as these. So this is a gorgeous freebie. It says thank you for patiently waiting, and it is so pretty with the lavender and the blush colors. And then if you want these freebies, you simply add Marcy 15 in notes to seller, and you'll get those additional freebies included in your order. Now this kit was free, but to qualify for this beautiful kit, you have to order $22 in product. As I'm talking, I'm letting you see how pretty this is. A $22 order qualifies you to get this kit for free. And if you do use Marcy 15 at checkout, you'll get a 15% discount on your other items, eligible items, but then it puts you under your $22 qualification. So please make sure you put $26 worth of product in your cart before you order so that you can still qualify to get, you know, your Wednesday hump day kit for free. Now, this will not, the time you're watching this video, this will not be the Wednesday hump day kit. On Wednesdays, Dawn offers a hump day free kit with a $22 purchase. And it'll be a different one tomorrow, Wednesday, March 2nd. So look for that. She posts the new ones at 12 noon. And if you're new to these one design pages on DEKdesigns, these 6 are half boxes with the 3-heart checklist. Then these are full boxes, these 3 here. And then these are not a washi strip. These are three individual foil boxes. And then you have a a script, little to-dos. Ooh, that holographic is so pretty. It just shines rainbow. And then these text headers, there are 7 of each color on the glitter headers. And then your weekend, lilac and pink. And she just changed these to be different colors so that they don't wash out with each other if you use them together. There's a pop. And then of course they all have their clear paper and their foil date dots, 1 to 31. So that was my free kit, and to qualify to purchase it, I have my additional purchases that you can get 15% off when you add to your cart. So this is called Cozy Farmhouse, and whenever I have a choice, I like to add rose gold foil to my kits. This is a vertical short, so I see 2 rows of the headers at the bottom. So then you have your washi strips, and then abbreviated text day of the week headers and layering boxes. Here's the gorgeous clear paper foiled date dots. We have half boxes, foiled, and trackers and quarter boxes. I love the colors here. They're just gray and brown and like a peach color. It looks well together. Decorative icons, text headers and glitter headers, and then the weekend. This is one of the older kits where the weekend and this are the same color, so when you use them, one can kind of wash out. But you have 5 3-heart checklist sidebars and then some little flags down here. They're just stickers tucked in everywhere. And the one design page, again, 6 of your half box and 3 of your full box, and then these little quarter box, or third boxes actually, with the foil strip across. And your script foiled headers. So then I got some Hobonichi Weeks. Okay, this is Hello Spring, the same as the vertical kit, but it fits the Hobonichi Weeks. Look how pretty these little boxes are. but they're floral. Then you have your vertical strip on the side for your day of the week on the Hobonichi Weeks page. Some washi strips, day off, some trackers, some more icons, more icons, some boxes, your weekend banner bows, and some top washi. Then this kit is called, it's another Hobonichi Weeks kit, and I'm trying to remember the name. Let me check my invoice to be certain. Hobonichi Weeks, it's not lovely. Okay, I thought it was Cloud 9. I just wasn't sure. Cloud 9. And at the time you're seeing these actual kits may not be available in the shop. So, but whatever is available is going to be just as beautiful with the foiling. So 3 pages on the Hobonichi Weeks. And then this, I keep ordering this kit over and over. It's called Lovely. I have this kit in several sizes. I have several of these because I will use it over and over. It is just lovely. So the washi, oh, it says Girl Boss here. Trackers, icons, the same setup as the previous ones. I just want you to see the beautiful colors and the beautiful foil. So there's 3 washi kits and then 1 for March. And this is called Lucky Be a Lady. This is the name of this kit. So washi strips. Then these are for the washi dates. It's just, they're just various colors. You can just use them on the side and then put your deco from, I like to use these when I have leftover deco from other kits, like I did last week. So anyway, this is called Hello Spring, and you notice the kits are the same name, but not the same size. So they look the same, but they are different kits. Hello Spring on the vertical, and this is the Hobonichi A5. This kit is for the Hobonichi A5 and Hello Spring. 2 pages to this one. And then this is called Lovely, but it's just a journaling sheet. So it's just icons and different things that you would put on a journaling page, or you can use them in your planner. But I just added this to my collection because I love the Lovely kits. The colors are just fabulous. So, okay, so I'm going to move this out of the way so I can get the other one because I received 2 orders, 2 envelopes on the same day. So excited about that. So blessed. And we have the bow clip. Again, I opened this envelope first. I thought I thought my recorder was on and it wasn't. So the bow clip, the beautiful, like a pastel rainbow. And this one was discounted. It was a Sunday new release. It was discounted from $20.95 to $14.95 for the full kit. So you have your 9 full boxes. I love the double box scene here, the greenhouse. This gorgeous washi, spring flowers and some pale yellow. It's not too bright. I like the color. Day of the week headers. I'll show those in a second. We have some half boxes, some trackers and quarter boxes. The decorative flags, scallop, lace, bow headers, and the icon. Then our text headers, glitter headers, there's 7 of each color. And then the weekend banner. These are contrasting colors so that it has a pop. And some beautiful little swirls. That's new. And the one design page. Love these. And there are 6 half boxes and they have 3 heart checklists on them. There are 3 full boxes with a 5 heart check clipboard and a Monday to Sunday. Then we have these. This is not a washi strip. These are like third boxes with the foil, and then the foil script to-dos. Then our spring Gorgeous Girls. These are available on the website as well. You can order just this page if you really like that individual, separate from the kit. And then clear paper foiled date dots, 1/31. So within my kit, you also get freebies that Dawn includes to you. Aside from the ribbon bow clip, she includes other freebies. If you put Marcy 15 in notes to seller, you'll get this free sampler. And if you use Marcy 15 at checkout, you will receive a 15% discount on eligible items, but not the already discounted $14.95 kit. So here's Emma shopping. I just love the new character Emma. And here's Emma on laundry day. Poor Emma. She's buried in laundry. Okay, so that does it for DEKdesigns haul. I'm very pleased to receive my shipments because I got some sticker organizing to do. I have some plan with me's to do, and I'm excited to have all these beautiful stickers to enable me to do that. Thank you for spending some of your precious moments with me. You have a blessed day.